Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2019 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's night black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one does have an illuminated star on the grille, 18-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels, black MB text interior, panorama sunroof, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down 60/40 seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, convenience package with garage door openers and auto dimming mirrors, rear view backup camera, media display, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 20,492 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250, visit us at feldmanimports.com.